three games, game 1, game 2 and game 3. Game 1 basically consists of two parts, game 1A and game 1B. Both the games are regarding decision making, how you make your decision regarding the certain money you have in your pocket. So coming to game 1, we will be giving a certain amount of money. Based on that money, you will be playing the game, whether you want to gamble that amount or do not want to gamble that amount. If you wish not to gamble the amount, we will straight away give you 250 rupees. And if you wish to gamble the amount, then based on the result of the coin toss, either if it come head, we will multiply amount by 2, means if you are having 1000 rupees, we will give you 1000 more, making amount to 2000. And if it come to be a tail, we will charge a penalty of rupees 500 from you. We will receive 500 from you. Same, if you wish do not to gamble, we will straight away give you 250 rupees. So the aim of this part of the game is to maximize your amount. Now coming to 1B, same, you will be having two decisions, either to gamble or do not gamble. If you do not gamble, we will straight away fetch 1/3 of the amount from your pocket. So suppose if you are having 1200 rupees, we will straight away take 400 rupees from you. One more thing, whatever the amount you will be having after the end of game 1, there are basically 3 rounds of game 1. After the round 3, we will calculate the total amount. That total amount would be the starting point for game 1B. If you wish do not to gamble, we will straight away take 1/3 of the amount. If you wish to gamble, we will have two options, either head or tail. If it comes to be a tail, we will take 50 rupees from you. And if it comes to be head, we will roll a dice. Based on the result of the dice, if it comes out to be even, you will get no reward, means no profit, no loss. If it comes out to be an odd number, we will again multiply your amount. So the aim of this part of the game is to minimize your losses, means whatever you have in the starting at the starting of the game 1B, you have to minimize your losses. The winners from this game 1 will proceed to game 2. What will happen in game 2? There are basically 3 points, 1, 2 and 3 marked on the floors, 1, 2 and 3. We have a box right there. So what you have to do, you have to throw a ball to target the box. So there are basically 3 points. The first point is near to the box, so the risk is less, accordingly you will get a less reward. There would be a reward of rupees 10. In case you miss the hit, we will charge a penalty of rupees 5. If you hit from point 2, the risk is more now, so the reward would also be more now, rupees 30. Similarly, the risk would be more, we will charge a penalty of rupees 20 in case you do not hit the target. Now coming to the last point, this is the farthest point from the box, so the risk is maximum here. So is the reward. You will get a reward of rupees 50 on a successful target. If you miss your target, we will charge a penalty of rupees 40 from you. So the winners of round 2 will now proceed to round 3. Round 3 basically consists of a quiz, general quiz. Based on your general knowledge, we will give you some money. So how based on your knowledge you are willing to gamble for that money, you are willing to go ahead, or you are settled for the amount which you have in your pocket. So at last of the game 3, we will be announcing the winners. This is all the game. चलो अब सबके पास 1000 रुपये स्टार्टिंग करने के लिए, ठीक है। पहला गेम खेलते हैं, या तो गैम्बल करना है तुम्हें या नहीं करना, बताओ क्या डिसीजन है। गैम्बल, एक एक करके ठीक है। मैं टॉस करता हूँ, हेड आए तो डबल, टेल आए तो 50 है, 500 जाएंगे। हेड आए, डबल हो गया वो। हमारा क्या डिसीजन, गैम्बल? 500 दे दो, 500 दे दो। गैम्बल करना है, हार भी सकते हैं। मैं पहले कॉइन टॉस करूँगा, ठीक है। अगर हेड आता है तो मैं फिर डाइस मूव करूँगा, ठीक है। और अगर डाइस में अगर इवन आता है तो उसको कुछ अमाउंट नहीं मिलेगा, अगर ऑड आता है तो उसको डबल मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। और अगर गैम्बल करते हो तो तुम्हारा टेल्स आता है, ठीक है, तो आपका -50 हो जाएगा।
बट आप गैम्बल नहीं करते तो आपका 1/3 डिडक्ट हो जाएगा, आपको पेपर देगा 6 सेकेंड।
कंटिन्यू करेगा ना।